In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite collaborators to your Wix website using the Wix editor or Studio in Chrome. This process will enable you to seamlessly share your website with team members or collaborators, allowing them to assist in editing and maintaining the site. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring that you have a clear understanding of how to effectively invite others. First, you'll want to make sure you open the Wix editor or Studio in your Chrome browser. Once you've launched it, you'll notice your profile icon, typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you should select Invite People. This option is specifically designed to allow you to share your site with others and manage who has access. After clicking Invite People, you'll see a field where you can enter an email address. Here, you'll need to type in the email address of the person you wish to invite. It's important to make sure that the email address is correct, as this will ensure that your invite reaches the intended recipient without any hitches. Once you've entered the email, you'll need to assign the proper permissions to the person you're inviting. This is a crucial step because the permissions you set will determine what the invitee can actually do on your site. Wix provides several options: admin, editor, or billing. If you want the person to have full control, similar to your own, then admin is the appropriate choice. If they're only going to be involved in content creation or design, then editor might be more suitable. And if they're handling financial aspects like payments, you might want to assign them the billing role. Take a moment to think about what responsibilities they'll have so you can choose the right permission level for them. After assigning the permissions, the next step is to send the invitation. You'll find a button or link to do this, usually near where you've entered the email address and selected the permissions. Clicking this will send an email invite directly to the person you've chosen to involve. Once the invitation has been sent, the person will receive an email prompting them to accept the invite. After they accept, they'll be able to access and edit the site. It's always a good idea to let your invitee know to keep an eye out for this email to ensure they don't miss it, and to check their spam folder just in case it ends up there. And there you have it. Inviting collaborators to your Wix website is a straightforward and efficient way to share the workload and manage your online presence more effectively. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and happy editing.